Hey Skitties! Today, I'm going to show you how to plug and play Kali Linux from a USB drive. No need to deal with the headache of installing it on a virtual machine. And here's the best part. Once you boot this, you're ready to attack Wi-Fi. Just make sure, follow all the steps. Stick around till the end, and I'll get you all set up to take out your inner hacker. Okay, first you need a Windows laptop, a USB flash drive, and 2 pieces of software. Download the Kali Linux Live boot image from kali.org and don't get the installer, you want the live image. Next, download Rufus from rufus.ai. It's a small tool that'll help you create a bootable USB drive. It's tiny, quick, and efficient, basically the opposite of my gym routine. Now, get ready to turn your USB into a super-powered bootable device. Plug in your USB drive. Now open Rufus. First select your USB drive. Make sure it's the right one, or you'll wipe something important. Next, load the Kali Live image file, then set the persistence partition size. I set it to 10 gigabytes, but you can choose what works for you. Now click Start. Rufus will do its thing, and this is going to take a while, maybe 20 minutes or more, so go grab a coffee or do literally anything else for a bit. Once Rufus finishes, it's showtime. Reboot your laptop and get into the BIOS. This involves pressing a special key, like you're entering a cheat code in a video game. On my HP laptop, it's F10. For others, it might be F12, delete, or smash every key until something happens. Inside the BIOS, disable Secure Boot, because, ironically, security gets in the way of our hacking experiment. Next, set the boot priority to USB first and Windows second. Why? Because Linux deserves to go first for once. Once you've configured the BIOS, you'll boot into Kali Linux. But wait! Choose the Live System with USB persistence option. This ensures your files survive reboots. Missing Windows? No problem. Plug out the USB drive and reboot. Want to return to Kali? Plug the USB back in, reboot. Easy as pie, if pie required configuring firmware settings. And there you have it. You can now boot into Kali Linux from a USB drive with persistence. No hard drive changes, no dual boot drama, and most importantly, no regrets. If you like this tutorial, smash that subscribe button, like this video, and ring the bell for more hacky videos. Until next time, remember, with great power comes great USB configurations.